magtanim ay bibiro. Maghapon na kayo po, pati sa gabi na kayo. Save Mother Earth, protect Fahrenheit, support Miss Brazil!
Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, let's make it a better place for you and for me. And most importantly, for our future generations. Hola, me llamo Carolina Herrera Gómez Rubirosa, 24 años. Es representante de la tierra de la hermosa Latina. Arriba, arriba, viva Colombia!
Good evening, Fahrenheit and the panel of judges. My name is Rosalie Gonzalez, 19 years of age, and you can call me Sally for short. That girl. That girl. Sally. Shh, that girl. Let's say that global warming is coming, so let's save Mother Earth from dying. Thank you and goodbye.
Sensei from the land of beauty and paradise, represent Dominican Republic. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Andrea Acosta. I used to believe in saying, if you want to live your life longer, just love the environment so well. Or, if you want to enjoy your life so well, just always eat the grass. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jane Solomon S. Mabigal. But this time, allow me to be in the shoe of Lady Badira, representing from the country of kung hindi nyo mabas o matricycle, i-jeep mo. Thank you.
Let's protect Mother Earth. Good evening. My real name is Parisian Sandals, Volume 2, Miss France. Thank you.
From the river Nile to the Mount Everest, from the Tower of Pisa down to the Garden of Parthenon, and from the age of Troy, another goddess come here on earth. Standing in front of you, the 19-year-old stunner, my name is Catholic Castaglioni, and I am proud to represent my very own country, India. Saving our dying Mother Earth is easy if we have born unity. Conserve water and energy, let's reduce, reuse, and recycle. That will be all. Thank you very much.
Ang mga elemento ay ang tubig, apoy, hangin at ang lupa. Kami mga bakla ang tuloy ang elemento ng mga kalalakihan. At tao sa amin ay elemento ng kaligalahan. My name is Maria Margarita Tequila Incredible, and I'm proud to represent my country, Mexico!
By the name Ashtatina 19 from the happy days of 14 Mystica Islands. I'm proud to represent Northern Marianas. At bago ko lisanin ang apat na sulok ng pagdanong ito, hayaan mo na akong mag-iwan ng mga pag-ingatan po natin ang ating kalikasan sapagkat ito lang ang natural na kayamanang maipapamana natin sa kabataan. Maraming salamat po.
Hindi kailangan ng maharap pa sa tali upang malala sa pating malala ito. Ang dami po namin kailangan ay lumang-lumaan na kailangan natin silipin ang ating kapaligiran. Ito po sa internet mula sa bansang Pilipinas, California District.
Good evening, people of Fahrenheit. My name is Mark-Arjun Arboles, but in tonight, allow me to stand by the name. Ang babae, minsan nyo na nakita sa kamuni, at minsan na rin nagpabon. As I say my name, sabay-sabay natin hindi kasi pauni sa kamuni. And I'm proud to represent my country. Pero kinalagay ka mo todo, makasal mong tate, virgin ka pa, perfecto, figura, malaki puki mo. And I'm proud to represent my country. Pero prinsesa, pero galera, viva! Puerto Rico, Puerto Rico.
Protecting Mother Earth is man's responsibility as a shelter of existence. Sabi nga ng tito ko, si Dracula, let's save Earth from cavities.
From the heart of Pennsylvania, I'm Miss Vanessa Helsing, 48,000 years of age. And representing my beautiful country, Romania. Good evening, mabuhay, Fahrenheit! Ako'y nananabik sa aking pagkabalik. Sa aking pangatawan, ito'y aking pinakaingatan. Upang sa gabing ito'y masasabi ng lahat na ako'y may karapatan. There's a saying that if there's a will, there's a way. And I believe that if God conquered the world, Miss South Africa will conquer the earth. I'm Paula Patricia Canlas, 4.5-year-old stunner, and I'm very proud to represent from the land of the man's eyes are all the women's warrior princess like me. The beautiful, my country, the golden capital of the universe, Sun City, South Africa!
The environment hold our future. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing here in front of you is Lorena Isabella Arguelles, 19 years of age, who is from the city of Shabu, Pasig City. From the Eastern Oldlands in Africa, Tanzania. Thank you.
Sa may pintuan ng X-ray room, may nakasulat, "Do not enter when the light is on." Wala tayong pakialam doon. What if the earth is the X-ray room? Anong gagawin mo? Put lotion, relocation, or laceration. So what is the solution? Be aware and be protected and how to combat the pollution. Good evening, people of the earth. My name is Fortuna Tabaco, and I came from the land of Limbo and Calesso, Trinidad and Tobago.
I am not for rent and I am not for sale, but I am for your eyes only. Ikaw man neglect nature, then the greatest revolution will be the revolt of nature against man. Good evening, my name is Annabel Rama Jr. But in real life, my name is Rofa Gutierrez Beclas. Save Mother Earth. Just text, save Mother Earth to 2368. For adding mobile, stop producing drugs. I am proud to represent the gateway of Europe and Asia, Turkey.
Before, rain, rain, go away, come again another day. But now, rain, rain, go away, big, big flag on the way. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am American, the only American girl who's graduated in Oakland, University of Lambay, Laguna, Achosa. Who take up a master's degree in mass destructions. Before I leave this message, or this stage, ingat, baka magaya sa Glorieta. By the way, this is Baker Ruth, and you can call me MMs for short. Saying this, God bless America. And remember this, save the earth and save yourselves. Thank you, and good night.
Even if the falling leaves and the dust has their own reasons. And do you know the reason why I'm standing here tonight? Just to break the gender of passion. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is a 22-year-old stunner. Beware, be real, and be mystified. Because the baby is now a lady and hoping to have a baby. My name is Icy Arguelles, and please do allow me to stand there in the name of Miss Virginia Slick, representing to the one and only American Paradise, U.S. Virgin Island.
Like fire, let's be alive. Like water, let's go with the flow of life. Like wind or air, let's fly and be free. And like earth, let's maintain our balance and equilibrium. Good evening, Fahrenheit. My name is Victoria Court, and I'm proud to represent from the country of beautiful people, Venezuela.